Hello, YouTube world. Mac Daddy 1911A1 with the Shade Tree Survivalist. I get it out. Try to make this quick. I've tried it 2 or 3 times and I screwed it up. But the title of this video: Are you freaking stupid? This is to address a couple of comments I got, and I thought they were jokes. Okay. One of them was on one of my the last M14 video I did, and they asked me if I was going to use that to storm Area 51. I thought it was a joke. Okay, Kim said no, this is not a joke. This is real, and there are about 1 million people swearing up down there going to get together and storm Area 51. Go get yourself a trucker's atlas, ladies and gentlemen. Motor Carrier Road Atlas from Miami and Allen. This is an old one, but get you a new one. You know, you can get them the paperback job like this for like $10. Okay. And I want you to open it up to the state of California, southern part of California, and I want you to look for these gray areas. Let's see if I can get the camera to be able to focus on that. You see how they're gray? Gray, gray. Let me read this off to you if I can see it. China Lake Naval Weapons Center. China Lake Naval Weapons Center again. Fort Irwin National Training Center. On down here it says Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center, 29 Palms, California, IA. Then of course you got San Diego. That's the largest Navy base on the West Coast. That's on American soil. And then, of course, down here in this little spot here, you got Edwards Air Force Base. Now, let's move over to Nevada, shall we? All right. Here's Vegas. Way down here at the bottom. Let's see if we can get this damn crappy camera on my computer. All right. And all this gray right in here, that's Nellis Air Force Base. Let me read some of that to you, all right? Yeah, if my old eyes will work here. Nellis Air Force range. That's where they bomb shit, blow up shit, test shit. Nellis Air Force Base, Nellis Air Force Range, Nellis Air Force Range. It's the entire area. If my memory serves, I've read about the subject for a few times, but that's Area 51, if I'm not badly mistaken. And you can see the orange road all the way around it. Okay, I've been on that damn entire road before. Right around there where my thumb's at and so forth. All right, you got that military base. Off to the east, okay, is Arizona, and not too far south of there is Yuma Naval Weapons Station and Naval Aviation. I used to haul parts in there for the Aviate Harrier jump jet. They've got these mats they have to put down on the asphalt to keep the exhaust from burning holes in the asphalt. I've hauled them in, and I've hauled those out, and other stuff ain't none of your business. Okay, really don't show anything else because, hell, that's a good percentage, of probably 1/8 of the whole damn state. Now let's go to Utah. How about let's do that, because that's a neighboring state. Let's see what else we got to deal with. Okay, so up here in Ogden, you got Hill Air Force Base. I know I've been to that one before, but I was thinking it was actually Ogden. Then there's a whole bunch of test ranges there, but I'm not sure. I know they test high-speed cars and all that. So there's really not that much in Utah. But I do know right up the road, Mountain Home, Idaho, there's an Air Force Base. You get over there to Arizona, like I said, there's Yuma down there in the daggum southwestern corner of the damn state. I used to haul to it all the freaking time. I mean, they're surrounded by military bases. So all you dumbasses who think you're going to go and storm the place, let me give you a heads up. You're surrounded all the way around by military bases. State police, local police, National Guard units. They're going to call in every damn body if you go to try to. There's fences up there. If you once you go inside that fence, it's like the frickin' southern border. All right, except in this case, this is national security. on a very secret base where they test out all kinds of equipment. They got a lot of room to do it in case there's a crash or something of that nature. You're out in the middle of the damn desert. That's stupid. All right, if it got bad enough, they'd send in the 82nd Airborne. They go through you like shit through a damn goose. Okay, and then you got the Marines right down the road in San Diego and 29 Palms and all these different places. Don't be stupid. Whoever the hell come up with this, I mean, go and find a tree and bash your head against it until you bleeding, because that's stupid. Loose lips sink ships. That's old World War II saying that is just as true today as it is yesterday. You gotta, you'll go in there and break it in. You're gonna have Russian spy in it. You're gonna have someone who would sell his soul for a damn dollar to the Ruskies, and it's gonna get ugly. So just whoever come up with this shit, stop it. You're a friggin' moron. And anybody who thinks that you're gonna be able to run right in there and just look, you're fucking stupid. Excuse my French, but it's true. You're not going to get in and out. You're going to go to jail. Okay? Period. You're going to jail. This has got to be some libtard crap, and you people think, well, we just do whatever we want because the libtards do it all the time. Well, if they machine gun your ass down, I guess not, or landmines. I mean, that's a huge perimeter, and maybe you can get in there, and maybe you can get in there and die. Starvation, from dehydration. You're in the high desert. I mean, it ain't no damn joke. It gets freaking bad out there. But hey, if you want to go for it, I can always unretire as a grave digger. Rent me a backhoe and get started. Y'all be good.